Trees are life. They absorb CO2 and they give us back oxygen. That's why it's becoming increasingly important to ensure that our cities have green spaces. We're aware that climate change is a reality, and now, more than ever before, we need to take action to combat it. We in Madrid City Council have a dream, and we are going to make that dream come true. We are going to create a major green infrastructure, a metropolitan forest that will encircle the entire city. A green ring that will absorb 171,000 tons of CO2. So you can enjoy nature in your own environment. And be part of it. Because we want a sustainable and green Madrid. A city where you breathe life. Madrid City Hall.